The Caudabe Sheath has been one of my favorite cases for years. Will it still be one of my favorite cases after I run it through my updated scoring and testing system? Let's find out. I'm testing 50 cases to find the best 5. This is review 45 out of 50! Because I'm a reviewer, not an influencer, for the iPhone 17s, my scoring system is based on what the iPhone actually feels when it hits the ground on its corner, on its face, as well as on its camera lump. Each case gets dropped at least 30 times, so when I say it's terrible, it's because I've got the data to back it up. Now, Caudabe has come a long way. I started buying their cases for the iPhone 6s, and they just used to make really cheap TPU cases. This thing is not that. The finish on this sheath is one of the best. It's the perfect amount of texture. It's not too aggressive. Feels good in my hand. And it's been improved because doing this would have left a lot of marks on the sheath. MagSafe accessories are still going to leave marks over time, but this, whatever they did, it's been improved. I do wish Caudabe would add feet at the bottom of the case so that you don't wear out the texture at the bottom as quickly, but that's just me being picky. Now, like the Paragon, the camera lump is textured as well, but unlike the Paragon, this case is tougher, even though these two products are very, very similar. Weight-wise, going to increase your Pro Max by about 55 grams. That's higher than the 47 gram current average, and it's going to bulk your iPhone up by only 60%. I guess it is a minimalist perfection. Now, when it comes to the handling of your iPhone inside this case, grip-wise, it is just spectacular. It doesn't feel sticky. Regardless of how sweaty my palms are, it doesn't feel like my iPhone's going to stick to them. Buttons are flow-through buttons, and they're metallic as well. Same with the camera control button. It's got that same aluminum ring around the button, which looks really nice. Screen access is amazing on this case because the case edges are incredibly shallow. Port cutout is massive, so it'll fit any cable, and when you're pinky propping it up, it's very comfortable because Caudabe has a little shelf right there. Now, MagSafe is where Caudabe drops the ball. Pull is 7.2 newtons and push is 8.6 newtons. It's absolutely horrendous with this product. Those values are good enough for a grip, but I'd be worried about using a MagSafe car mount with this case. Such a shame. Now, like the Paragon, the protective design is a little weird. The back is a whopping 2.8 mils that I recorded, and the corners are about 1.8 mils. This case also has air pockets, and at its thinnest, they are 1.4 mils thick. And like the Paragon, it's very, very flexy. Takes 24 newtons to bend 8 mils, that's 15% below average. But unlike the Paragon, the corners come off of this case a little easier. It's about average at 25 newtons. Now, when it comes to corner drops, my iPhone logged 8.2 newtons. Nope. Geez, that's 19% below average. Wrong card, 19% below average. It's a good thing. So how about all the things that happen after a corner drop? 26% less rotation, it rang 16% less, and the overall force was 9% better than average. So it's not very often that you see all 4 of these criteria being green, which is pretty spectacular. Now, when it comes to face drop protections, remember, this case has a very, very shallow lip. Did it get a red marker? So when that happened, the initial impact was 31% better than average. Settling rate was 47% slower, but the total force was 20% better than average. This is pretty typical for a TPU case. Now, for the camera lump with its fully textured cover, when that happened, initial impact was 27% better than average. Total force was 22% better than average, and like every other TPU case, the settling rate was borderline not great. Actually pretty terrible. So I'll be honest with you, the numbers I see for the Caudabe Sheath is better than some of the tougher cases that I've ever reviewed so far. So would I get this case if I wasn't a reviewer? The answer is, oh, heck yeah. The Sheath has been one of my favorites for the last few years, and with Caudabe making the finish better and less scratchy, this is almost the perfect case. I just wish MagSafe was a bit better. I'm testing 50 iPhone 17 cases to find the best 5. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that the moment that this case review drops, you get notified. Or just check my channel back regularly because I'm just pumping these out as quickly as I possibly can.